It's a sad day for drones because once again, that word is at the centre of a national incident. But where is the drone? Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and yesterday reports emerged internationally about drones flying around Gatwick Airport in the UK. Gatwick is the UK's second biggest airport, with flights arriving and departing every single minute, and clearly such a disruption has caused major issues nationwide. The airport was shut immediately to give time to find the offending drones and maybe even the operator, but that didn't happen. And besides witness testimony from the ground saying that they could see a drone, none have been photographed or captured on video. The airport has remained closed since, and we're now 20 plus hours, and yet not a single photo or video, despite the entire world's press and media descending on Gatwick and camping there for the last 2 days to observe this story. Now, the last report of a sighting of a drone at Gatwick was at 2:30 p.m. Nothing since, but the airport remains closed and will do apparently until 7 o'clock tonight, possibly even later. Now, what infuriates me at DroningON is the use of the word drone. When our governments make any kind of statement or commitment to something, the press and media question it immediately. Whilst when Gatwick say that a drone or drones are flying around the airport, which has given them justification to close the airport, the press and media immediately believe it. And yet you would have thought that history by now would have educated the press and media to think twice before just simply stating factually that the root cause is a drone. If we look back at the instance at Heathrow Airport, where in fact it turned out to be a carrier bag, and over in Australia where a bat was mistaken for a drone in a light aircraft incident that occurred there. Now, if a drone is involved in this incident at Gatwick, we will be the first to put our hands up and condemn the operator for selfish and irresponsible flight. But right now, we have not seen any credible evidence, and until Gatwick or the police release it, we will remain unconvinced that a drone is involved at all. This is the festive season, and it wouldn't be unusual for people to be releasing chrome, silver, helium balloons into the air as part of those festivities, which could easily be mistaken as a drone. One of the passengers on board one of the stranded jets provided a video of what he said was a drone at Gatwick, and yet it's clearly carrying a powerful searchlight and is most likely actually one of the 2 helicopters that's been deployed around Gatwick as part of the search. No doubt the next 24 hours will be interesting. We have massive sympathy for the passengers on board the planes and also those that were hoping to travel for the Christmas period. But please, let's not scapegoat drones for every incident like this. Not at least until there is hard, solid evidence that a drone is actually involved. International speculation, rumour and scapegoating like this does a massive amount of harm to the drone industry. And even if a drone isn't actually involved, the damage has already been done, and when regulators start looking at clamping down on the use of drones, it will impact us all. So in conclusion, I've got 2 messages. First of all, to drone operators out there, please fly safely and fly within the legal constraints of the country in which you're flying. Just take one look at the amount of effort the police forces, the regulators involved now in the hunt for this drone and the drone operators. The last thing you would ever want in the future is to be the subject of such a hunt, because it will change your life. My next message is to the media and news outlets. Please stop assuming that every incident is a drone. Whatever happened to investigative journalism? Take a look at the facts and report based on those facts. Question what you're told and ask for hard evidence before simply speculating or basing your reporting on eyeballing from people that have made mistakes before. Remember the incident at Heathrow last year? It was a carrier bag, not a drone. Comment below with your thoughts. It's up to us to defend and protect our community, our industry, the retailers and manufacturers that make this hobby and sport the way it is today. So please share this video and the article in the video description. Comment below with your thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. As mentioned earlier, if later on it's proven to have been a drone, then we condemn the operator of that drone as an entire community. But until that time, and when we have some facts, let's not assume the worst. Thanks very much for watching.